The cassowary, classified as the most dangerous bird species in the world, the only bird that can kill humans with one blow. The female lays egg next to any male she meets and then leaves. The male incubates the egg for 9 months and raises the chicks. It is the second most heaviest bird in the world after the ostrich. It is huge and does not fly. Although it mainly eats fruits, it is very fierce. In appearance, they appear to be beautiful and shy birds, but if you approach them, they are likely to kick you, and their kicks are lethal. Have a